we are required to solve for x in this equation where we have 5 to the power of x plus 2 times by 5 to the power of x equals to 75, right? Firstly, we notice that we have 5 to the power of x here. We also have 5 to the power of x here, right? Since these two are the same, what we are going to do is factor out the 5 to the power of x, right? The idea is that we want to end up with something like 5 to the power of x equals to 5 to the power of some number, right? And once we have such a situation, we can then drop the bases and then equate the x to whatever number it is that we get, right? So the first step would be, let's factor out the 5 to the power of x, right? We factor out the 5 to the power of x. When factoring out, we are simply just dividing everything by 5 to the power of x. So we're going to divide the first term, which is 5 to the power of x, by 5 to the power of x. This gives us 1. We are also going to divide this second term with 5 to the power of x, which is going to give us a positive 2. Then we close our bracket, equals to 75. Now that we have this, we can compute what 1 plus 2 is. That's 3. So we have 5 to the power of x times by 3 equals to 75. You'd like to isolate the 5 to the power of x, so we divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3 here and divide by 3 here. On the left hand side, the 3 and the 3 cancel, and you're left with 5 to the power of x. On the right hand side, you have 75 divided by 3, that is 25. We can write 25 as 5 squared. Prime factorize the 25, that gives us 5 to the power of 2. And on the left hand side, we still have 5 to the power of x. Now that we have the base here is 5 and the base here is 5, we have the same base, so we can drop the bases. We'll be left with x equals to 2. Thus our x has been solved for.